Wait, Samsung might remove a camera from the Ultra? Yeah, you heard that right. And honestly, this could be the smartest move they've made in years. And today we're talking about something seriously unexpected, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. Because instead of adding more cameras, Samsung might actually take one away. But here's the twist. It might not even matter. So, according to fresh leaks coming from trusted sources, Samsung is planning a major camera overhaul for the S27 Ultra. The biggest shock? The 3x telephoto camera could be completely gone. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, removing a camera from an Ultra phone? Isn't that a downgrade? Well, not exactly. Samsung is reportedly working on making the 200 megapixel primary sensor so powerful that it can handle 3x zoom on its own. Just like how current phones use high-resolution sensors for 2x optical quality zoom, Samsung could push that even further to 3x, meaning fewer sensors but smarter performance. And if you think about it, Apple and Google are already doing something similar. They rely more on software-powerful main sensors instead of stacking multiple cameras. So Samsung shifting in that direction? It actually makes a lot of sense. There's also a business side to this. With chip prices and memory costs going up, removing an extra sensor could help Samsung cut costs without sacrificing quality. And honestly, the 3x camera hasn't seen any major upgrades in years. So instead of keeping outdated hardware, why not replace it with something smarter, even more interesting? Leaks suggest Samsung might test this new camera layout in an upcoming device before launching it fully with the S27 Ultra. So what we're seeing right now could just be the beginning of a bigger shift. So yeah, the Galaxy S27 Ultra might come with fewer cameras, but way more power where it actually matters. Now here's the real question. Would you prefer more cameras or better cameras? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want the latest leaks, hidden features, and Samsung updates before anyone else, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.